So let's talk about division with remainder. So as you can see, 5 is not divisible by 2. So meaning to say there is an excess. So this given has an excess when we divide it by the given divisor. So for instance, 5 divided by 2. So how many 2's are there in 5? So we have 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So you have 1. Notice that 1 is less than 2. So you add decimal point here. Then you have 0. Make sure the decimal points are aligned. So 10. Treat it as whole number. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So you have here 0. So you have here 2.5. For number 2, 80 divided by 12. So how many 80? How many 12s are there in 80? So you have here 6. That is 72. So minus 72. That would be 8. Notice now 8 is lesser than 12. So we add decimal point here. So you have 0. So 80 divided by 12 is still 6. So minus 72. So you have here 8. So bring down 0 again. Okay. Minus. So 80 divided by 12. So you have here 6. 72. So as you can see, the process is repeating. So the answer is a repeating decimal. So if the answer is repeating decimal, so meaning to say here, we use the vinculum, okay, meaning to say 6 is repeating. So our answer is, let's have a clear writings on this. So our answer is 6 point. Then we have vinculum for 6. The vinculum indicates that that number is repeating. Okay, so 6.6. Or in some cases, if the instruction told you round off your answer in 2 decimal places. So if we're going to round off, that would be 6.67 or 6.67. Okay. Now, let's have the last example. 2 divided by 3. As you can see, 2 is less than 3. So, we have 0. So, 0 times 3 is 0. So, you have here 2. Then, we add decimal point. Bring down. Then, add 0. Then, bring down 0. So, 20 divided by 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So, you have here 20. 2. You have here 2. So, you add again 0. You bring down 0. So, 20 divided by 3 is 6. So, you have here 18. So, you have another 6 here again. You have here 2. As you can see, the process is repeating. So, you have more 6 here again. So, we simplify. That would be 0.6 or 0.67. If the instruction demands two decimal places, you can have 0.67. Or this one, 0.6 with the vinculum. Let me rewrite it here, 0.6 or 0.67.